Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Calendly onto your card website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and put one of these scheduling events and embed it onto your card website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, the first thing that you need to do is log on to Calendly. Next, click on these three dots and then click on Add to Website. Now, there are three different ways that you can add Calendly to your card website. You can do an inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. Go ahead and click on Inline Embed, then click on Continue. Now on the right-hand side here, you're going to find your embed code. So this is the code that you could actually copy and paste into the HTML of the card website so that Calendly will actually appear. So click on Copy Code and then paste this into the HTML of the card website, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and embed Calendly onto your card website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.